Alright, welcome back to another video. So today, we got the APR intake, placing out the stock one. Alright, first step, let's get this out of the way. Who put that back on? Who put that on? Wow. Alright, next step, T25 here, T25 here. And this piece is to come off. Now you just pop these tabs down, just like that. This hose is to come off. And just gently. Alright, now for the secondary air, you just squeeze it and pull it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it here, pull it out. Squeeze it. No, don't pull on it. If it's not coming out easy, don't pull on it too hard. Here, watch out. Alright, now just grab it from the back and pull up. There's one back here too. Right there. Grab it. Alright, so if you have a small little 7 mil, you can kind of get in there. It's a little tight, but it's not too bad. Okay, there you go. Now the old one's removed. And this car has secondary air. So, if you have a GTI, you need one of these. So now, it's secondary air. And it goes in like the regular one. When you have this O-ring, you don't really want to you kind of want to get in there nice and smooth. Kind of just make sure. Oh, see, you see the cut? I don't know if you saw it pinched right there, the O-ring pinched. You just want to make sure. There you go, nice and smooth like that. Boom. Now it's in there. So now you bring this under like that. It stays right there. So now, go ahead and tighten it. I'm gonna zip tie it just to keep it in place. Alright, so I had to quickly put it back together because I was in a rush. But simple, just put those clamps on, this clamp. There's the secondary air intake, and then the grommet just goes in there and you just push down on it. And then the air comes through there into the intake. I do have the hose that goes under, but I didn't have time to put that in. So otherwise, for now, it's just gonna be over. Doesn't really bother me too much. But we'll get some sound clips. And you also gotta put this little vacuum line on. Other than that, very simple to install. Anybody can do this. All right, everything's installed. Now we'll do the sound clips. Go ahead, rev it up. Keep going. Alright, now we'll do some driving. Alright, now that we're driving, you'll be able to hear a lot more because just revving it, just not much of a load. So just do like partial throttle. It's really quiet. Can't really hear much because it's a closed box, it's not open. So it's pretty quiet. So if you don't want like too much noise, then go with the closed one. If you want more noise, obviously go with the open one. You can definitely hear the turbo a lot more than stock though still. I don't know if you can catch that.
It's like a little baby turbo.
Yeah, kinda.
Yep, so we're gonna get some drive-bys done. Bro. It's a lot louder on the outside.
Alrighty guys, well, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
It's super loud, not super loud, but it's pretty noticeable on the outside. When you're inside the car, you don't hear too much. If you're one of those people that doesn't really...
Belt on, bro.
All right, bro.
Anyways, long story short, if you want something a little louder than stock, go with this one. It is kind of pricey. I don't even know how much it is. What? Like the full, if you get like the full...
It's like 400 something, or
No,
350.
I think it's more than that.
Okay.
I think it's like 700. Plus this one has like I have the coolant hose that goes under, but I just haven't installed that yet.
That is like
Well, 'cause
relocation
right now
kit.
it's over. Yeah, it goes over the box.
Mhm.
There's one that goes under.
Okay.
But anyways, been really busy, but we're gonna try to keep uploading. Like, subscribe, leave a comment on whatever you would like to see next, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace.